now take you live to the Central Texas Command Center in the heart of the resistance.
Okay, started it back up. I got cover put back on. I have oil pressure, so that's good. So I went ahead, I was going to check my oil, and this is why I started it back up. So get my little flashlight under my neck, clean this off, put it back in there. Now I changed my oil 2 or 3 weeks ago. Added a little bit of oil the other day. Now get this. Let's see if I can get this on here. Let's see. I don't know if that's going to come up very clear. The oil is exactly right at the last dot. Flip it over. So let's just set the flashlight down. See if I can get that on there. The oil level, not pressure. It's right at the last dot. I mean, perfect on the last dot. The only reason that never happened. So, it's right where it needs to be. I hope that came up clear. It's not the best working conditions. Everything's wobbling, the light's blinding everything. But, there you go. Okay, good deal. I wish every job was like this. Just never happens like that. That's awesome. Okay, thanks so much. I hope that, let me turn this around. I hope that maybe on the next repair we'll have something to fix. Well, we actually fixed something. So this is actually a good feeling. I was dreading this. I really was. So wasn't so bad this time. You know what it's like to get under there and strip out oil plug, oil pan plug. That's what I did a couple weeks ago. I had to run back to town. I live 10 miles from town, so I had to go back to town, get a kit to back it off, you know, a nut removal, which worked very well. I got the Irwin kit, man, it was awesome. I mean, 2 seconds I had that sucker off. So that was nice. Got the oil change, got the new plug in. When things go smoothly, it's really, I can see why mechanics do what they do, but I don't want to be a turn wrench. But I have worked on everything I've ever owned. I don't know if you can see this. Let me turn this camera around. This is what's next. I don't know if you can see that front tire sticking out underneath the tarp. That's my 99 Shadow. I got tires for it. I got brakes, seat covers, all kinds of stuff fixing to go on that. Can't get it all fixed, but and I just got this going. Well, it's not really going yet. Got tires, carburetor, seat, new battery. So got to get that going because the weeds are growing and this is redneck country out here. So, all right, my friends. God bless and take care. Next time.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's incredible. Here we are, another global transmission.